The deep autumn color palette embodies a warm, rich aesthetic reminiscent of a sunny fall day, featuring colors with yellow undertones that create depth without being overly bright. Deep autumns typically have dark, warm eyes, neutral, warm skin tones that shine in golds, and medium to dark brown hair with honey highlights. To enhance your natural glow, it's best to wear warm, earthy shades like dark teal, burnt orange, and forest green, while avoiding light and cool colors that can wash you out. High contrast outfits are recommended, as well as patterns with contrasting colors to highlight your features. When it comes to accessories, opt for brass and gold, and choose warm-toned makeup that complements your skin. If considering hair color, stick with dark, warm shades. Remember, deep autumns characterized by their golden undertones differ from the cooler, dark winter palette.